Our next topic is resolving power of grating. Resolving power is equal to lambda by d lambda is just a formula where d lambda is very small, and lambda plus d lambda. For this, e plus d sin theta is equal to n lambda. N is the order here. E plus d is equal to grating element. I already discussed about it. E plus d is equal to weight by n. Okay. For nth order, theta plus d theta, that means this one, this is the ray incident, and this angle is theta and this angle is d theta. So here wavelength lambda, and here lambda plus d lambda. Here d lambda is so small. For nth order, n into capital N into e plus d here grating element. E plus d sin theta is equal to m lambda. Here m is integer values except 0, n, 2n, because if the value of m is 0, n, 2n, then it's occur principal maxima. So in principal maxima, m is equal to n capital N plus 1. So just see here just put the value of m, n plus 1, n into n plus 1 and lambda, because m lambda, and n e plus d sine, just here theta plus d theta for this theta, because this total angle is theta plus d theta. Okay, n is equal to number of ruling lines. Okay, number of ruling lines. After that, e plus d sine theta, theta plus d theta is equal to nn plus 1 by n into lambda. This is our first equation. And see, for lambda and lambda plus d lambda, just resolve theta plus d theta. So here e plus d sine theta plus d theta is equal to n into lambda plus d lambda. So first, from the first and second equation, just see this part and this part. This part and this part is equal, so this part and this part also will be equal. So just equal this part, and after calculation we get lambda by d lambda is equal to small n into capital N. So resolving power of grating is small n into capital N, because resolving power of grating formula is lambda by d lambda. For central maxima, small n equal to 0 and resolving power equal to 0. So for central maxima, dispersive power, that means dp is equal to d theta by d lambda. Is just a formula. Okay, d theta by d lambda. So just put the value of here, because n equal to e plus d cos theta d theta by lambda. So d theta by d lambda is equal to n by e plus d cos theta. So lambda by d lambda is equal to small n into capital N is equal to, because these two are equal to this one. After that, n means what? N means this value. Just put here, and n capital N just replace here. Okay. After that, lambda by d lambda is equal to this one. So resolving power of grating equal to total aperture into dispersive power of grating. So I think you understand. I think you like the video. So like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.